Have you wondered why you are stuck in the same patterns in your life no matter how hard you try? Something holds you back from success, love, and happiness. Now, it is not your fault. It is the programming in your subconscious mind which has happened long time back. And the good news is you can change it now in as little as 9 seconds. As it is as 9 seconds. Hi, I am PRADEEP Aggarwal and I am a world-renowned hypnotist, NLP trainer, mind programmer and sports psychologist. And I have developed my own technique called hidden resource activation, which is a trademark, and hypnotic magic questions, that is also trademark, and mind vastu sar, that is also my trademark technique. Now these techniques are so powerful, it doesn't take years to come out of the problem. Yes, my friend. It's a very powerful technique where we use the power of your subconscious mind all so that you can achieve what you want in less than 9 seconds. And there is a powerful technique with this is that everything is automated. Something when you do it one time, everything works automatically. You know, subconscious mind is an automatic mind. So you program your mind to become successful. In this 2-day live workshop which is happening in Hyderabad, 2 full-day workshop, you will learn how to eliminate fear, phobias, anxiety, emotional blocks, limiting beliefs, and you will stops you to achieve your success. You will eliminate them, remove them, and program your subconscious mind to attract money, love, health, and happiness and relationship. Create a peak performance state of mind for business, sports, and in your daily life. Heal from your past negative memories and program and step into a very powerful future which you deserve. Now this workshop is just not a training. It's a hands-on live interactive program where you not only learn, you experience and master the power of your subconscious mind to achieve success very, very quickly and in real time. Now my friend, this is just not an event or a workshop. This is a real life-changing, transforming workshop. And remember, the seats are very limited. And if you are ready to break free from all your negative blocks and limitations and program your mind for success, click on the link below and join the workshop. And I see you there personally.